That ISR exhaust right here. Look how big it is though. It's bigger than mine for sure. 100%.
Yeah, it's sedan.
That shit's crazy. You might get. I know.
Do you have like a blanket or some shit?
Yeah, I know for Tome they give you a sticker and they also give you a license plate if you get the Tome one. I don't know if ISR does that, but this is clean. They even give you the gaskets and everything. Yo, that's so beautiful. You have the white pipe, right? ISR white pipe.
And then
you have
the long tube headers.
You have Burke test pipes, right?
Yeah, resonated. I don't fucking know.
You got them? Is there anything else? You got the stickers, right?
I don't think there's a sticker.
No.
Maybe. Hold on, this is the.
Check the other side. Nah.
It wouldn't be like in this shit, right?
How much was the exhaust?
500. But I didn't even get it off ISR. I got it off this other
website.
Yeah, like a sponsor of theirs, because they were selling it for 500 total plus shipping.
So you got it for what? 580? That's pretty clean.
Plus shipping and everything is like almost 600.
That's cool.
How many gaskets? Should be just 2, right? Yeah.
2. So one from there, one there, and then the. We might have to reuse your gasket for the white pipe then. That's cool. You already did the hard part. So it's literally one bolt holding your whole entire exhaust.
Wait,
2 bolts.
The white pipe isn't even hard, bro.
Cause you deleted the mufflers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's gonna be So it's literally one bolt because it's straight. So it's one pipe from there.
Mhm.
Oh, that's gonna be easy. Like what, 20 minutes at least? And then we'll go over there somewhere, and then you could 2-step.
I'm just hoping I get pops, bro, because it's gonna be single exit.
You're gonna be pretty loud. You're gonna be as loud as me. Actually, you didn't even hear the Z. You didn't even hear the Z. Look, you're gonna be like this. This is with it fixed. So both flex pipes were damaged.
Yeah, I know. I remember seeing them. They were fucking.
So this is how quiet my car is now, but it sounds pretty. It's quiet. It's quiet. Watch.
Are you fucking around?
No. That's cold start.
It's like my car, kind of.
So no more flex pipe.
Oh, okay, you took them out.
Yeah, because they were both damaged. So $100, and that's how it sounds. It's pretty nice. I think I like it. It still chops from the misfire.
Alright, let's jack this bitch up.
Alright, let's go. We're taking out the exhaust. That shit gonna be clean. I'm gonna take off my battery right now. Take off this battery and intakes, dog. Woo! Clean ass car. So yeah, we're gonna be doing his exhaust right now. We have it jacked up with a broken jack. Yes, I know it's unsafe. I don't give a fuck. Suck my dick. So yeah, we're gonna fucking do that. Then we're gonna go probably to Chrome. If you live in Florida, you already know what I'm talking about. Chrome. We're gonna do some poles, some flames, and all that cool shit on this G37 Sedan. VQ guys, you know how it is. We family. Man, we're taking that white pipe out now. So which side you got? You got the left or right?
The one I'm on, bro.
Over here, struggling.
It's hard to get this shit.
You know what's crazy? You're full bolt-ons already. After this, you're considered full bolt-ons.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, this is intake and exhaust from the headers It's all bolt-ons. Even though you don't have headers, you did buy test pipes which basically connect to your headers. So you're full bolt-on. Once you get the long tube, you'll be fully bolt-on.
Yo, come here, see, save the bolt.
You know what they did in my exhaust?
What?
They put 2 bolts for the extra support.
2 bolts where?
By the Y pipe and the test pipes.
That's how it's supposed to be, bro.
There's 2 bolts instead of 1 bolt.
Yeah, it's supposed to
There's
be.
2 nuts in the back of it. But yeah, I like
Oh, 2.
2 nuts.
Okay. 2 nuts.
So whoever took the car to the shop, they knew what they were doing. But you know what's funny? I did a couple launches on the Z with the new exhaust, like the Y pipe. Dude, it sounds so good. I gotta put some other gas. Once I put some other gas, I could hear the pops. It pops a little bit. But you're right here. We're installing this exhaust. So, did you do the grommet? You got it in there or not?
I have it in there, but the thing is I'm pushing it. So
yeah, so now maybe I should help you out trying to get that grommet out. So we're just doing the grommets right now. The grommets are the hardest part because they're wedged inside there. So I'm gonna take the grommet out and I'll be with you. Already said it took him a month to get the exhaust. That is so fucking crazy. A month. You couldn't pay me to wait that long. A month is a long time to get an exhaust. It's a pretty good exhaust, everyone. A lot of people get this one because it's affordable. 500 and something bucks for an affordable exhaust. And you can't beat the price. So we got the exhaust off. This thing is huge. Dude, this thing is so huge. How big is it? Bro, this is longer than the Lexus one and the
how much can I sell this for?
The only most valuable part is this right here. This is the most valuable part. So I would go and back where you went and chop this off. Chop this weld off and chop this weld off. Because this is the most valuable part. Because you did a muffler delete.
What did I sell it for?
$100 at most, because you fucking did that. This is the most part. This is the desirable part right here. When you go back to stock, because I don't know if you're gonna leave all this. There's a bunch of money you have invested. Like the headers on this car are $1,000.
Damn.
They're $1,000. I found the headers finally. I just used Google Photos. And then from this car to what? The Y pipe, I don't even know, probably $200. Headers are 1,300.
No, Y pipe has to be like 300 at least.
There's no name brand on the Y pipe. No name brand, but she's secret clean. You're like mine. Look at my exhaust. But yours is gonna be probably up to here. That's it. But yours is gonna be a bit louder than mine since your resonator is smaller.
Huh.
Looks pretty good. I'm just jealous because yours can is a bit bigger. Line it up. Line it up. Literally right next to it. Is that leveled? No, a little bit more. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh, it's actually about the same. No, it's a little bit bigger. Yeah, look. It's a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Where the plastic, where this is how big it is. So, hey, it's gonna look nice. And then we're gonna drop me off somewhere, right? And then I want to record some flybys.
Alright.
And then we'll go to the meet.
Alright.
What time is it? Yeah, we have time. The meet starts at 8:30 or some shit.
Let's go. Let's put this bitch on.
Alright, let's go put the shit on the car.
Lube it up? Lube up the grommets?
Actually,
I'll just lube up the hole itself.
all we need is one grommet. So you go back under and choose where you want the pipe. Now it's playability for you. So you have this one, but you could also turn the exhaust. It's everywhere you want. This is universal. It doesn't matter where you go. But I guess.
Bro, it's a left.
Then
Left,
yeah,
left,
you
left side.
keep it left. Keep it left then. The white pipe. I mean this pipe.
Alright. Oh, you got water?
Alright.
There's one.
We're on the resonator right now to the white pipe. You got one bolt sighted in. You outside. I just wish it was sunnier. But what can you do? Check it out. Just polishing it right now. Oh, look! Just look in the light. God damn! I'm gonna give you another rag. I'm gonna give you 2 rags. Hold up, I'm gonna give you another rag right now.
Wait, am I loosening this bitch? Hold on, bro.
Everyone, we're gonna start the car. My boy gonna go turn on the whip.
Oh, record from my phone too. Whoa!
How do you want it? You want it straight or sideways?
Straight.
Alright, we got 2 videos. The YouTube video and then your Instagram video.
What the fuck?
Alright man, whenever you're ready, start it up. Just don't rev it.
That's clean.
Bro, it sounds so beautiful.
It got deeper.
Hear a little bit of shaking, but that's because the exhaust is vibrating.
That's because it's up, bro. It's up.
Oh yeah. It's so clean. It's deeper than mine for sure. Your test pipes. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright man, here's your phone. That shit was so clean, everyone. ISR exhaust.
Let me hear it on video, bro. Hold on.
It's so beautiful, man. It was so clean. Downshift. Downshift. You don't backfire like I do.